Okay, sir. Please introduce yourself and tell us your take on the issue at stake, sir.
Good morning, gentlemen of the press.
Yes.
My name is Reverend Dr. Moses C.C. Oposa. By the grace of God, the shepherd of Refiners Fire Divine Chapel International Ministry, Arena of Possibilities here in Lagos, and the second vice president of Igbo Association of Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity presented before us as members of Igbo Association residing right here in Lagos. First and foremost, I want to commend the President of Nigeria, Ahmed Bola Tinubu. I want to thank all the arms of the government. No matter how the situation it is today, I know that God, with His infinite mercy, must surely make things right for us Nigerians. I want to say a little about what is going on. Sometimes I see some certain things as a rumor. Then the way it is going, we are in Lagos, we are Igbos, and Lagos is our home because we are residents of this particular state. And we will do everything humanly possible to protect our own interests and the interest of the government of Lagos State. So we are not here for violence, we are not here for trouble. And I'm using this opportunity to make it as an advice to all the men of God in Lagos and in Nigeria in the entire. At this particular situation, it's not time for violence, but it's time to pray. To pray for the well-being of this country, to pray for the well-being of Lagos State. And when we do such, God with His infinite mercy must surely do the needful. So I am just advising, our president have said it all, the way it's supposed to be. If there be any Oba, if there be an elderly statesman that is bringing things to cause havoc in Lagos against the Igbos, they should resist from it and refrain from it, because we are all one Nigeria. Nobody is different. Nobody is a foreigner here. Whether we are Igbos, we are Yorubas, we are Hausas, we are all Nigerians. Nigeria is our home. So my candid advice to every one of us, both the elders of Igbos in Lagos and the elders of the Yorubas and the Hausas in Lagos, let us be our brother's keeper and let things move right the way it's supposed to be. We don't need to kill each other. We don't need to fight each other to make Nigeria great. It's going to be a collective effort, and we need to support. And I use the same video, and I'm praying for the president and the governor of Lagos State, that God will give them direction. All we need is God's direction. Nobody's an island. That God will help them. If there's any area that things are not going right, they should try by all means to put things right, that the masses will be able to rejoice and be in peace. And by so doing, Nigeria will be great again, especially on the area of fuel and the area of food. When these provisions are being made, because one thing I know, when there is an appropriate electricity, road network, and the infrastructures in order, some of the masses is not interested on the billions they are making on daily basis, because one, they can be able to feed, they can be able to take care of their families. Every other thing is by the way. So this is my candid advice, and I pray that God with His infinite mercy will make things right for Nigeria again. Long live Lagos State, long live Nigeria. Igbo Buru. Thank you very much, and God bless you.